Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Nest Hub Max as a smart home control center, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Google Nest Hub Max is plugged in and powered on. Connect your smartphone or tablet to the Wi-Fi network you plan to use with the Nest Hub. Download and install the Google Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus sign in the top left corner of the screen to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the menu list. Choose New Devices and select your home if prompted. The app will search for devices. When it finds your Nest Hub Max, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will prompt you to choose a Chromecast-enabled device. This will generally be your Nest Hub Max. Confirm the location and room where your Nest Hub Max will be placed. Complete any necessary updates for the device, as this may take a few moments. After updates are finished, customize your Nest Hub Max settings, such as choosing the display preferences and voice recognition options. Link any smart home devices you own through the app settings. Navigate to the Home Control section in the Google Home app. Tap on Add to select devices you want to control, like smart lights, thermostats, or security cameras. Follow the prompts to connect each device and authorize it, ensuring they are compatible with Google Assistant. After all devices are linked, you can arrange them into rooms for easier control. You can create routines by going to the Routines section, allowing you to automate actions with a single command. Test voice commands with your Nest Hub Max by saying "Hey Google" followed by the command for your connected devices. Customize additional settings, such as personal preferences for music, weather updates, and news briefings. Explore the available features such as visual responses for news, recipes, and calendar events. Relax as you now have a fully configured Google Nest Hub Max, serving as your smart home control center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.